Welcome to M Healthcare.
First on list, pomegranates. Pomegranates are one of the most unique and powerful fruits in the world, but if you have diabetes, you might be wondering whether you should eat them. The answer isn't just yes, it's a resounding yes, but in the right way. Even though pomegranates are naturally sweet, they have a glycemic index of about 53 and a glycemic load of around 18 per whole fruit, which means they don't cause drastic blood sugar spikes like some high sugar fruits. What's even better is their fiber content, about 4 grams per half a cup of seeds, which helps slow down sugar absorption, making it a great option for keeping blood sugar levels stable. And as for starch, pomegranates barely have any, which means they won't contribute to unnecessary carb overload. There's something really fascinating about how pomegranates work in the body. One study found that even though pomegranate juice contains natural sugars, these sugars don't behave like regular sugars in the bloodstream. Instead, the unique antioxidants in pomegranates actually help reduce insulin resistance and improve how efficiently the body processes glucose. That's a big deal for diabetics because insulin resistance is one of the major challenges in keeping blood sugar under control. Instead of simply raising sugar levels, pomegranates may actually help regulate them. Beyond blood sugar, pomegranates are packed with nutrients that do wonders for the body. They're loaded with vitamin C, providing about 30% of your daily needs per fruit, which helps strengthen the immune system. They also contain vitamin K, potassium, and folate, all of which support overall health. The real magic inside pomegranates comes from their antioxidants, specifically punicalagin, anthocyanins, and ellagic acid. These powerful compounds fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which is crucial for people with diabetes because high blood sugar over time can damage cells. Pomegranates act as a shield, protecting the body from this damage. One of the biggest concerns for diabetics is heart health, and pomegranates shine in this area too. Studies have shown that drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily for 3 months can reduce LDL cholesterol by up to 12%, while increasing good cholesterol by about 10%. They also improve blood circulation, reduce plaque buildup in arteries by as much as 30%, and help lower blood pressure. Since people with diabetes have a higher risk of heart disease, eating pomegranates is one of the easiest ways to protect the heart naturally. Pomegranates also play a role in kidney health, which is crucial for diabetics since high blood sugar can put extra stress on the kidneys. Research suggests that the antioxidants in pomegranates help reduce oxidative damage in the kidneys and lower protein leakage in the urine by up to 25%, which means they can protect against long-term kidney problems. On top of that, pomegranates help with digestion by promoting the growth of good gut bacteria. A healthier gut leads to better blood sugar control, making this fruit even more valuable for diabetics. Since diabetes can weaken the immune system, pomegranates offer an extra layer of defense. Their high vitamin C content and unique anti-inflammatory properties help the body fight off infections, improve recovery time, and keep the immune system strong. This is especially helpful because people with diabetes are more prone to infections and longer healing times. Here's a fun fact. Pomegranates have been used for thousands of years as a symbol of health and longevity. Ancient cultures believed they had medicinal properties, and modern science is proving them right. It's not just folklore, it's real, and diabetics can absolutely benefit from this superfruit. The best way to eat pomegranates is fresh. Simply cut one open, scoop out the seeds, and enjoy them as they are. You can sprinkle them on salads, mix them into yogurt, add them to oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. If you prefer juice, make sure it's 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugar. The perfect one-time portion for diabetics is about 4 ounces of juice or 1/2 cup of seeds, giving all the benefits without overloading on natural sugars. If you're looking for a simple diabetes-friendly recipe, try a pomegranate and Greek yogurt parfait. Just layer Greek yogurt with pomegranate seeds and a handful of nuts for a delicious, protein-packed snack that won't spike blood sugar. Another great option is a pomegranate salad. Mix fresh arrows with spinach, walnuts, and feta cheese for a heart-healthy meal. One thing to be careful about is processed pomegranate products. Many store-bought pomegranate juices and snacks have added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives that can turn a healthy fruit into a sugar bomb. Always check the label, and when in doubt, go for fresh. Another precaution is portion control. Even though pomegranates have benefits, eating too much at once can still lead to a blood sugar rise. Moderation is key. Stick to recommended serving sizes, and you'll enjoy all the goodness without the drawbacks. Pomegranates are proof that sweet fruits aren't always bad for diabetes. In fact, this one is uniquely beneficial for blood sugar control, heart health, kidney protection, digestion, and immunity. The secret is balance, portion control, and choosing fresh sources. When eaten the right way, pomegranates can be a powerful tool in managing diabetes while adding a burst of flavor and nutrition to your diet. Second on list, passion fruit. Passion fruit is one of the most underrated yet incredibly powerful fruits, especially for people with diabetes. It's sweet, tangy, and packed with nutrients. But the best part? It has a glycemic index of only 30 and a glycemic load of around 6 per serving, which means it has a very small impact on blood sugar levels. Unlike high-sugar fruits that cause rapid spikes, passion fruit releases its sugars slowly, making it a safe and smart choice for anyone managing diabetes. One study found something really interesting about passion fruit. It contains a special type of fiber called pectin, which acts like a natural sugar regulator. Pectin forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent blood sugar spikes and keeps energy levels stable throughout the day. And if you're wondering about starch, there's almost none in passion fruit, making it a great low-carb option for diabetics looking for something sweet without the risks. Beyond its blood sugar benefits, passion fruit is a nutrient powerhouse. It's rich in vitamin C, providing nearly 30% of your daily needs in just one fruit, which is fantastic for immune support. It also contains vitamin A, essential for eye health, and potassium, which helps control blood pressure. What makes passion fruit really special is its high antioxidant content. It's loaded with polyphenols, carotenoids, and flavonoids, which work together to reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and protect the body from oxidative stress. This is a huge advantage for diabetics since prolonged high blood sugar can cause damage at the cellular level, leading to complications over time. Passion fruit doesn't just help with blood sugar, it also plays a role in improving insulin sensitivity. Research suggests that a compound found in passion fruit peel, called physotanol, helps the body use insulin more effectively. This means cells can absorb sugar more efficiently, keeping blood sugar levels more stable. For diabetics, better insulin function means fewer fluctuations, less fatigue, and better overall metabolic health. Heart health is another major concern for diabetics, and passion fruit is a natural supporter of a healthy heart. Thanks to its high fiber and potassium levels, it helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. It also works to relax blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing the risk of high blood pressure. Since diabetics are more prone to heart disease, including stroke and heart attacks, eating passion fruit can be an easy way to protect cardiovascular health while enjoying something delicious. Kidney health is often overlooked when it comes to diabetes, but it's just as important. High blood sugar over time can stress the kidneys, leading to potential damage. Passion fruit's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties help protect kidney function by reducing oxidative stress and lowering inflammation. Its high potassium content also supports kidney health by helping regulate fluid balance in the body, which is essential for maintaining stable blood pressure. Digestion is another area where passion fruit shines. Thanks to its high fiber content, about 5 grams per fruit, it helps keep digestion smooth and regular. Fiber is crucial for diabetics because it slows down the breakdown of food, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. A healthy gut also supports better metabolism, improved insulin function, and overall digestive well-being. Since diabetes can weaken the immune system, passion fruit provides an extra boost in defense. Its high vitamin C and antioxidant levels help the body fight off infections, speed up recovery, and strengthen immune response. For diabetics who are more prone to infections and slow healing, adding passion fruit to the diet can be an easy way to enhance overall immunity. Here's a fun fact. Passion fruit gets its name not because of romance, but because of its connection to religious symbolism. Spanish missionaries named it passion fruit because the flower's unique shape resembled symbols from the Passion of Christ. But aside from history, what makes this fruit truly special is its ability to support health in so many ways. The best way to enjoy passion fruit is fresh. Simply cut it in half and scoop out the seeds and juicy pulp with a spoon. You can eat it as it is, mix it into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or even drizzle it over salads for a tangy kick. If you prefer juice, make sure it's 100% pure passion fruit juice with no added sugar. The ideal one-time portion for diabetics is about 4 ounces of juice or half a cup of pulp, giving all the benefits without overloading on sugar. For a diabetes-friendly recipe, try making a passion fruit chia pudding. Just mix passion fruit pulp with unsweetened almond milk and chia seeds. Let it sit overnight and top it with nuts or berries in the morning. It's packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, perfect for stable blood sugar levels. Another great option is a refreshing passion fruit salad dressing. Blend the pulp with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt to create a flavorful, nutrient-rich dressing for salads. One important precaution is avoiding processed passion fruit products. Many store-bought juices and flavored drinks contain added sugars, syrups, and artificial sweeteners, which can spike blood sugar levels quickly. Always check labels before buying. Another thing to keep in mind is portion control. Even though passion fruit is diabetic-friendly, Eating too much at once can still lead to a rise in blood sugar. Sticking to moderate serving sizes ensures you get the benefits without the risks. Third on list of blueberries. Blueberries are often called nature's candy, but for diabetics, they're much more than just a sweet treat. They're a superfood packed with benefits. Even though they taste naturally sweet, they have a glycemic index of about 53 and a glycemic load of only 5 per half a cup, meaning they have a very mild effect on blood sugar levels. Unlike high-carb fruits that cause quick spikes, blueberries release their sugars slowly, making them one of the safest fruits for diabetics. One study found that blueberries contain powerful bioactive compounds that improve insulin sensitivity. In fact, consuming them regularly can help the body process sugar more effectively, reducing insulin resistance. This is a game changer for diabetics because better insulin function means more stable blood sugar, less fatigue, and fewer complications over time. And if you're wondering about starch, blueberries have almost none, which means they won't cause any unnecessary carb overload. Beyond their effect on blood sugar, blueberries are packed with fiber, about 4 grams per cup, which helps slow down digestion and prevents sugar spikes. But that's just the beginning. These tiny berries are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, all of which play important roles in overall health. However, the real magic lies in their antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give blueberries their deep blue color. These antioxidants fight inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and protect cells from damage, which is crucial for diabetics who are at higher risk of complications due to high blood sugar levels. One of the biggest concerns for diabetics is heart health, and blueberries are a natural solution. They help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, which keeps arteries clear and lowers the risk of heart disease. They also help regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing inflammation in the cardiovascular system. Since diabetics have a higher risk of heart attacks and strokes, adding blueberries to the diet can be a simple and delicious way to protect the heart. Diabetes can also take a toll on kidney health. Blueberries offer protection here too. Thanks to their high antioxidant content, they help prevent oxidative stress in the kidneys and reduce inflammation, both of which are common issues in people with high blood sugar. Some studies even suggest that blueberries can help lower protein leakage in the urine, a common sign of kidney stress. By reducing this damage, they help support long-term kidney function. Digestion is another area where blueberries shine. Their high fiber content supports gut health by feeding good bacteria and promoting smooth digestion. A healthy gut is directly linked to better blood sugar control, improved metabolism, and reduced inflammation, making blueberries a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Strong immune system is essential for diabetics, and blueberries provide an extra boost. Their high vitamin C and antioxidant levels help fight infections, speed up wound healing, and reduce inflammation in the body. Since diabetes can slow down the body's ability to heal, eating foods that strengthen the immune system is always a good idea. Here's a fun fact. Blueberries are one of the only naturally blue foods in the world. Their deep color comes from anthocyanins, which aren't just beautiful, but also incredibly powerful for health. Native Americans used blueberries for medicinal purposes centuries ago, and now modern science is proving just how beneficial they really are. Best way to enjoy blueberries is fresh. You can eat them by the handful, sprinkle them on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, or blend them into smoothies. If you prefer frozen blueberries, that's fine too. Just make sure they don't have added sugar. The perfect portion for diabetics is 1/2 cup, which is about 2.5 ounces, giving all the benefits without overloading on natural sugars. For a diabetes-friendly recipe, try making a blueberry and chia seed pudding. Simply mix blueberries with unsweetened almond milk and chia seeds, let it sit overnight, and enjoy a fiber-packed, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. Another great option is a blueberry spinach salad. Toss fresh spinach, blueberries, walnuts, and feta cheese with a light olive oil dressing for a delicious, nutrient-rich meal. One thing to watch out for is processed blueberry products. Many store-bought blueberry juices, jams, and flavored snacks contain added sugars and artificial sweeteners, which can turn a healthy fruit into a sugar bomb. Always check labels and stick to fresh or frozen blueberries whenever possible. Another precaution is portion control. While blueberries are great for diabetics, eating too many at once can still cause a rise in blood sugar. Moderation is key. Stick to recommended serving sizes to get all the benefits without the risks. Blueberries prove that sweet foods can be both delicious and healthy. With their low glycemic load, high fiber content, powerful antioxidants, and benefits for blood sugar, heart health, kidneys, digestion, and immunity, Final Thought Nature has given us some truly powerful foods, and pomegranates, passion fruit, and blueberries are proof that sweetness and health can go hand in hand. These fruits don't just satisfy cravings, they help control blood sugar, support heart and kidney health, and fight inflammation. The key is moderation, fresh sources, and avoiding added sugars. When eaten the right way, it can be a delicious, natural way to keep your body strong and balanced. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs to hear this. And let's keep making smart, delicious choices for better health together. See you in the next video.